Hello viewers and welcome back to my another lecture. This would be the third part of the lecture 14. My name is Umar Jamal and the channel is Graphics. So I'm going to turn this off, and today we are going to discuss Twirl Tool for now. Maybe if we get time we will discuss pucker and bloat. So in the last lectures I've discussed width tool for the strokes, the wrap tool, the warp tool, and now the twirl tool. You can see if we have one square and we want to have some twirls like hairs or maybe eyes or anything that you need. So I'm going to show you what does it do. So this is what I'm clicking and holding the button for as long as I want the twirl. So I'm just clicking and you can see how it is going. I'm zooming in for you to see more, and I'm at this corner. See, we can make this kind of twirls with this tool, and it's very simple. And the second part, or furthermore giving you the details, I'm going to double click on this tool, and here we have some details. So the radius of the work area, the mouse was 100 pixels into 100 pixels. If we increase it to 300 and leaving the height 200, we will have an oval shape. Angle will change the angle of the oval, like I'm going to show you like this, and it's going to make 12, and you can see the difference. And going back and changing the angle of it will show you how it will affect. So I'm just changing an angle over here. Now I'm going to do the changes on intensity. I'm giving it 100 and then coming back and see how speedy it is now. And if I give it less intensity like 20, it will move very slow. Again, going to the other twirl rate. So if we increase to around 50, and then actually I think I might make another square for you to have clear vision. So we have 50 twirl rate, and if I decrease it to minus 100, it's going the other way. It's going now clockwise, and if we give it plus 100, it will go anti-clockwise. See, this is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. This is due to this twirl rate. And 180 degrees I don't know why they have put this for 180 degrees. And if we remove the angle and make it 300 by 300, and now this is 180 degrees in plus, and this would be minus 180 degrees. So to me it is only the clockwise and anti-clockwise version of it. Again, I'm having a new square, and then double clicking again on it, and about the details and giving it 10 points. So you can see how much anchor points over here are, and if I give it 1 and then making it over here, So you can see over here the detail is not that much better over here. Here we can see its starting point is very flat over here. Here we can see the curve. The ending points, see over here, is rounded and this one is not. That's not much about the anchor points, it's about the detail. So the anchor points would be the simplify option. So if I'm going to simplify it to 100 and then applying it, and the next would be simplify to 0.2, the least number we can have. You can see the least number will have more anchor points and the bigger number will have less anchor points. So this is different between the simplify options. So brush size will definitely help you around. So making something with this is quite interesting. What I made was one square, then I used the Twirl tool for maybe over here one eye, and I'm changing the degree to 180, and again I'm in the left eye, then coming back, selecting it, then coming back to the warp tool. So I'm giving it higher intensity and more detail, maybe 100, maybe 10, pressing OK and making something like alien kind of thing, giving 100, pressing OK. You might have seen these kind of things in Halloween trees. When I was making it, I was thinking about the Halloween characters that we see on the TV or in the videos. Like they have some these kind of trees over there, and you can just put some of your own artwork and make interesting things. So I hope this has been informative for you. The Twirl tool has no other options over here like the other ones, so not over here and not in these. So there's only one option for the Twirl in Adobe Illustrator. Might be there are more, but I don't know about that. So hopefully it helps for you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.